I am so excited about this video because I'm going to be showing you my Temu home techie haul. So excited. I got this big old package of just some goodies that I've been needing and wanting, and I can't wait to just show you everything I got. Okay, so the first thing I want to show you guys is something that I've been wanting for a very long time. And it's something that I absolutely needed. I didn't even know it existed until I saw it. Where's the other thing? This is why I need it, because I'm looking for the thing now and I can't find it. I'm always like, where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? And it's so frustrating because my place is so small, so it can only be one or two places. Why am I not finding it? And I used to tear up my house looking for this thing. So annoying. But then I found the solution to my problem. It is a remote control sleeve. Do you see this? Did you know this existed? I didn't know until I seen it on Temu. It has the little hangy thing. I can hang it on the wall somewhere so I can always see it and always know where it is. Hello? Hello? This is too good. It's too good. And then you still have like the little up and down action over here on the side. Like, it fits perfectly on my Roku remote control. Okay, so the next thing I ordered is still home, maybe not considered techie, but it's still home, because I have two very lovely orange fat kitties, healthy kitties, and this cat is, I live with cat hair. Cat hair is a thing. I'm constantly cleaning. I have to vacuum every day. I have to wipe shit down every day. I have to, the lint roller is your best, lint roller is your best friend. But I found this on Temu's website. There are these little, they're like rubber thingies that you put into the dryer to catch the cat hair off your clothes. It comes in for, oh, you know what? Let me go back because I need to say how much these are. At the time that I bought these items, it was, so let me go back to the remote control sleeve. I bought this, first of all, I forgot to mention the whole thing. Most of these items are under $10. Actually, all but 2 items are under 10 bucks on Temu. So let's start there. Okay, so this remote controller on Temu's website was $1.02. Hi, bow bow. And see this right here? Oh, maybe I don't want to see that. That's why I got these. Okay, by the time this video airs, I will have already tried them, so I will leave in the comments if it's a yes or. So these pet hair removers for the laundry cost $1.59. That's crazy. So the next thing I got is something that I wanted to try because I got tired of spending a gazillion dollars getting my nails done. So I wanted to grow my nails out and start doing my manicures at home. If I wanted longer nails or like something fun or whatever, then I would do the press-on nails, like the press-on girlies on TikTok. I saw this and I was like, could probably use this in my manicuring phase. This is a wireless mini gel polish dryer. So you know how you stick your hands in the UV light and it dries your gel polish really quickly? This is supposed to do the same. It comes with a charger like everything else does nowadays. It looks like you just hit that button right there and then it comes on, and then you just dry your nail like this, very closely like that. I'm assuming this is how it goes, and this is how I'm gonna do it. We don't need a brand name, just hand light. On the Temu website, this was $2.68. I ordered this thing thinking that it was for ladies, but I think it's for men. I'm just not sure. Once I looked at the website again, I noticed that it was a guy demonstrating, and I just didn't. Anyway, it is a portable mini electric shaver. So let me take the thing off. Portable mini electric shaver. Yikes. I don't like to wax my face. My skin is really sensitive. I'm tired of the other ways of removing the hair from my face and lips, so I thought I could just do it like this. But then I saw on the site he was like this, and I was like, maybe this isn't, maybe this is maybe it's for men, but I want to see if it works. I'm not a hairy person. It works on my leg, but I'm not about to kick my leg up. It does cost $5.84. Okay, so this next one, I definitely have to do a demonstration because I'm so excited. I want to see how it works and all that good stuff. I got a electric salt and pepper grinder. So when I saw this electric grinder on Temu's website, I was like, oh my God, I didn't even know. I feel like I'm behind in the world of home tech. Battery, but like all the batteries in the... Let me go see if I got 4,000 batteries. I'll be right back. This is why I say everything always works out for me even better than I can imagine. This is why I say that shit every day, all day, because it just does. I have 4 million batteries for my pepper grinder, and it's the right size. I just always have what I need. When I need it, I got it. Batteries in the thing, okay? Unscrew the lower part of the transparent chamber. The clock side removed from the bobby. Fill the sea salt into the chamber. Do not overfill. Keep the peppercorn sea salt 80% chamber max and then screw back. Okay, I had a feeling I was doing too much. Well, I'm gonna say that's 80%, right? Turn over your gravity. Okay, it's by gravity. Pepper mill to start working. So here we go. The one thing about getting older that to me is amazing is the kinds of things that get you excited. Like I used to be excited about clothes and shoes and stuff, and now I'm excited about home appliances. I love my air fryer. I love my gravity pepper grinder. I love all my techie things now. It's amazing. That pepper grinder on Temu's website was $6.17. You can't beat that. This thing absolutely, I think everybody needs this. I mean, we live in a world where power things are different. It may not, we got so many things to like charge. We got so many things to hook it up to, but not enough places to plug things in. So when I saw this, I was like, damn, we need this. It is a power strip with USB port so you can charge your things, children. Let's open it and see what's inside. So we have the regular plug it in right here, and then your USB ports, and I believe this you just turn it on and off, or maybe it's like a reset. No, I think it's a power button because that's a power sign. And then you can plug it into whatever whatever. You know what I mean. So this power surge on the Temu website cost me $7.29. That's it. So this next item attracted me on the website because number one, I haven't had one of these in 20 years, maybe more. And they had them in different fun colors. So I was like, oh, this is cute, but it ain't looking like I like. It is a press comb. Just a press comb. Comes with this thing, I guess, to do what? I don't know about this one, guys, but I guess it has the three settings. It's very lightweight, but it's like not lightweight to the point where put that thing down. It's not lightweight to the point where you're like, ooh, like this is cool, or you can put it in your bag or you can travel with it. It's kind of like scary, like lightweight, like is there anything in here, like so I might have wasted from the Temu website $8.34. I'm still gonna try it. I have an area in my home where it's pretty dark and I don't have any plugs nearby in this area to lighten it up. It is called an LED, hold on, an LED motion sensor cabinet light, and it's this long. Damn, it's long, and I think this was the longest one. Yes, you can charge her. It has the things, the adhesives, because I don't want to use a hammer and nails. It's too difficult. The other one was just so like, okay, you can screw it or you can stick it on, and then da 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 da. This one is lightweight. I believe they have different colors too. I got the silver. Kind of doesn't matter because you can't really see. You're not going to see this part anyway. So it has a place where you charge it, and then you can turn it on and decide if it's going to be motion sensor or not. I think that is the option, that it doesn't have to be. We turned it on. We turned it on. Okay, let's see what she does. Turned her on, and then what does that do? Oh, so you can turn it to make it warm. Bam. And then it flashes? Or, oh, I'm just turning it off. I can't wait to insert the video or picture to show you how it's looking, but you can change things and turn it off. This light cost me $9.69. Oh, you know what? Just let me add, like, this is like attached to, no, it's not. It's like a magnet, and you just, oh, you know what? Here's what just hit me. You put these things under the cabinet or wherever you want to put this light, and then you can just take the light off to charge it. Boy, oh boy, oh boy. Here's one of the few items that cost over $10, but it's still good. It is the viral face neck hair lift, whatever this is called. I be seeing this stuff on TikTok. Also comes with a charger, and it comes with the cover like that. That's how it looks. Woohoo. LEV, LED, and clean. I don't know what those mean yet. Oh, okay. So you just, but it vibrates. And that's how you lift your face. I got makeup on, so I'll be doing a video with it later. So this portable face massager on the Temu website cost me $11.23. Not that much over $10. You know what I mean? So still good. So this next item I'm also very excited to try. When I saw it, I was like, damn, I haven't had a hair curler in a long time, but this one is a little bit different. This is an automatic hair curler. I'm not sure how this works, but I was very intrigued online. It looks like a little squid. It's lightweight, but it's not that scary lightweight. Ooh, cannot wait to try this one. I don't even know, girl, how this is about to. I'm assuming this is the power button, and then this is to go this direction, and this is to go that direction. This automatic hair curler cost a whopping $9.93. That's it, under 10, baby. I'm about to curl my hair later, baby. Okay, so for the last item that I got from the Temu website, I'm so excited about. It does cost over $10, but it's still a good price. Wireless vehicle vacuum cleaner. Wireless. Come on, give me mine. Yes, I'm gonna use it for the vacuum for the car sometime. But I initially bought it because when you have cats, you sweep every 5 minutes. You vacuum twice a day. And so I was like, I need something I can just grab and just get the little cat litter things off the floor. Comes with concentrated nozzles. They're the same. It's just one is longer than the other. Okay. Charge her other nozzly thing, you would go like this, put it inside the thing, like bam. Another nozzle. These are very lightweight products. Oh, and it comes with this brush. Very sleek mats. Ooh, this is a sexy vacuum, y'all. Damn. This is nice. This is really nice. And then you can charge it right here. The price. So this handheld cordless vacuum cost a whopping $23.84. Damn. $23 will get you a sleek, sexy vacuum cleaner. Beautiful. Thank you for accompanying me on this journey of opening all these gifts like it was my birthday. It was so exciting. I'm so happy. I'm having so much fun, and now I have so much stuff to clean up that I got to go and cut this video short right now. Thank you guys. Bye.